kids is magpapass lang tayo ng balloon. Okay, pass the balloon lang po. Ayan, starting here. Let's go. Ayan go, pass the balloon. Pass for ate, pass. Pass mo kay kuya. Okay, so, okay, one, two, three. Pass the balloon! Nasa lang po! Oh, pass the balloon! Ayan, parang kasi nanaikot yung balloon. Pass the balloon, kids! Go! Pass the balloon! Pass the balloon! Pass! Go! Pass the balloon, kids! Pass the balloon! Ah! Pass the balloon! Go! Pass the balloon! And the five! And the five! Five po! Five! Five number! Five! Four! Three! Two! Dito lang sa ating magandang Jana. Okay, let's start tayo dyan sa ating Jana. Okay, dito muna ako sa team ko. Team 5. 1, 2, 3. Ayan, yakap lang ha. Kung hindi matapos sa ating Jana. 1, 2, 3. Mommy, again, very good yan, mommy. So now po, ayun kids, kailangan po mamaya, pag may na-eliminate, dapat friends pa rin kayo at the end of the game. Okay, so wider po kayo, wider.
Ito na, okay na.
Ay, mayroon kayo mag-inom ka. Okay. So, let's pose. Okay.
Gio! Gio! Gio!
Access you. Okay. Wow. Thank you so much. And for our next... Okay, easy lang po. Okay, for our next